Are you spending days, weeks, even months onboarding a single new trading partner? With manual integrations, mapping, and connections slowing you down? Imagine onboarding your new trading partners in as little as 1 day, or even just a few hours. With Clio, you get 10 times faster partner onboarding versus competing EDI solutions or traditional managed service providers by leveraging a vast ecosystem trading partner network, joined with pre-built API and EDI integrations that tie directly into your back-office applications, whether in ERP, TMS, WMS, or even custom-built systems. Which is why thousands of the world's top manufacturing organizations trust Clio for onboarding new trading partners. Because leveraging years of proven integration experience brings more than just a few advantages. Clio offers an extensive library of ready-to-use integrations to connect your business applications and support your EDI transactions. This means you're up and running quickly with minimal configuration. Whether dealing with homegrown systems, EDI standards from retailers like Home Depot and Target, or integrating with specific industry protocols, with Clio's know-how, you can master even the most complex integrations and EDI requirements. By leveraging powerful integrations and deep expertise, you eliminate integration errors and minimize onboarding delays, making for smoother, faster integration processes throughout your organization. What's more, Clio puts you in control, giving you the flexibility to choose your preferred onboarding approach, onboard new partners, change an AS2 certificate, and even adjust maps in seconds using existing templates with our self-service offering, or let our managed service experts handle it for you. Either way, our intuitive solution makes onboarding new trading partners simple. Clio seamlessly supports EDI transactions and communication protocols with the latest standards, including complex variations like the different EDI 850 purchase order standards from Home Depot versus Target. We know EDI can be a non-standard standard, but no matter your partner's format requirements, Clio can handle them all. With accelerated supplier, retailer, and carrier onboarding, seamless back-office integration, and real-time visibility, you can speed business and manage your partner network like never before. And post-onboarding, you can leverage advanced SLA notifications that keep up with your retailer SLAs for you. So, start onboarding your trading partners in hours instead of weeks or months. To learn more, watch a short demo of our solution or contact Clio to schedule a personalized demo.